Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Constituent Assembly members. In this particular episode, we will speak about Hasrat Mohani. He was born in 1875 in village Mohan in Unnao district in United Provinces. He obtained his BA degree from Aligarh Muslim University. He worked with a number of political parties. He is considered as one of the founding members of the Communist Party of India. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on Muslim League ticket. He spoke on various issues. He was a very vocal member, you can say. He participated in debates on preamble. He was a strong supporter that zamindari system should be abolished. He also argued against reservation for Muslim and formation of political parties on communal lines. He participated in the debate regarding the objective resolution. He had his very strong views, so we just see some of that. On 21st of July 1947, quote, Pandit Nehru in that objective resolution says simply that we will have a republic. It does not say whether the republic will be unitary republic or a federal republic. Even if it is a federal republic, it does not make it clear whether that federal republic will be of centrifugal or centripetal character, and unless and until we decide all these things, it is futile to determine the model of provincial constitution, unquote. So if you see, people participated from various angles in the objective resolution. Just now we have saw how Hasrat Mohani expressed his opinion. We are really grateful for the contribution of Hasrat Mohani in making of our constitution. He passed away on 13th of May 1951. Thank you.